The sonar shows a significant anomaly right here, sweeping across this ridge.
And the depth looks consistent with the previous survey.
180 feet. We have a clear visual on the Koenigsegg. Let's get the submersible ready.
So the total width here is right at 15 feet, which means we barely have clearance.
And the weight distribution, is that factored in?
Yes, but we need to consider the bags.
Looks good, Rodriguez. Are the straps secure? We need to move quickly.
That feels secure. Are the gauges reading correctly?
All set, 3,000 PSI. Let's move.
Final check on the seals and the regulators. Keep an eye on each other down there. Stay alert and ascend slowly. Good luck, divers.
Okay, divers, listen up. Proceed down now. You have until 11:15 sharp. If the target is not secured by then, abort and ascend immediately.
Marcus, comms check.
Samina, comms check.
Good copy. You are clear to proceed.
Go! Go!
You're at target coordinates, search pattern Alpha.
Contact visual on target.
Marcus, confirm visual.
Confirmed, it's the Koenigsegg.
Unbelievable, it's in good condition.
Door seals look intact. No major damage visible.
Engine bay sealed. No visible fluid leaks.
Passenger side intact, minor damage to mirror.
Hood structure solid. Surface wear minimal.
Suspension intact. Wheels in reasonable condition considering depth and time.
Interior looks dry. Cabin sealed properly.
Begin rigging lift bags. You have 15 minutes bottom time before mandatory ascent.
Front left secured. Inflating lift bag to 40%.
All four corners secured. Confirm balanced inflation.
Confirmed, balanced at 40%, checking stability.
Tension equal, vehicle stable. All four corners secured. Confirm balanced inflation.
Confirmed, balanced at 40%, checking stability.
Tension equal, vehicle stable. Proceed with controlled ascent on my mark. Mark in 3, 2, 1. Begin inflation to 70%.
We have liftoff, vehicle ascending, Monitor buoyancy carefully.
Ascent rate good, 30 feet per minute. Maintain that pace.
140 feet, ascent stable, vehicle rotating slightly, correcting.
100 feet, vehicle stable, preparing for final ascent phase.
60 feet. Reduce ascent rate to 20 feet per minute. Begin preparing for crane attachment at 20 feet depth.
30 feet, prepare for crane attachment. Slow to 10 feet per minute.
All right, we have the surface. Crane, start the lift, easy tension. Marcus, Samina, report status.
Looks good, clear on the starboard side.
Lower cables to front and rear center attachment points. Front hook secured, move to rear attachment.
Both hooks secured. Begin lift sequence. Easy does it. Steady lift. Vehicle clearing water.
Hold position, rotate vehicle 15 degrees, align with deck. Left side! Steady! Steady! 3 feet, steady, easy now.
Interior looks remarkably intact.
Seals are pressure locked, need more force carefully. Three, two, one, pry. Wow. Against all odds, we brought it back.